Good morning. We're here in Winston Salem doing a repair on a very unique ceiling, a very unique house. This house was built sometime in the 20s. It has real plaster molding up there we want to save, and it has a bathroom right up here where we've got water damage, and another water damage section here from the roof. So those things have been taken care of, and so now we're in the process of repairing it. But the first thing we're going to do is anchor up what we're going to save. So you see the anchors that we've been putting in right there, there, and there. But once we get that all anchored up, then we can tear out what we want to tear out right there, and we can put our lath back in there and rebuild the plaster system. So we're hoping this job will only take 3 days. And here's the finished product. And here's the customer. And I just wanted to ask you, how did you find out about us?
On Angie's List.
Okay. And did we do everything we said we would do?
You absolutely did.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely would you be to recommend us to your neighbors?
About a 12.
A 12. We'll take that. Awesome. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
All right.
Thank you, Philip.
Thank you.